Hey everyone, is your Crossley record player showing a blinking red light? In this video, we will walk you through quick fixes to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Let's bring your record player back to life. To fix a blinking red light on a Crossley record player, ensure the power adapter is properly connected and compatible. Try a different outlet, reset the player by unplugging it for 15 to 20 minutes. Check and replace a faulty volume knob or fuse, and if the issue persists, seek professional repair or consider replacing the unit. Why Crossley record player blinking red light? Faulty or incompatible power adapter or a poor power connection, defective or malfunctioning volume knob preventing the unit from powering on, blown fuse restricting power flow to the player, internal circuit or wiring defects within the record player. Fix 1. Check power connection. Ensure the record player receives stable power without interruption. Ensure the power adapter is firmly plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player's power jack. Try plugging the adapter into a different working outlet to rule out outlet issues. Fix 2. Use the correct power adapter. Prevent voltage mismatches that can cause power errors and blinking lights. Verify that you are using the original or compatible power adapter with the correct voltage and amperage for your Crossley model. Using the wrong adapter can cause power problems and blinking lights. Fix 3. Reset the record player. Clears temporary glitches in the internal circuitry that may cause the red light to blink. Unplug the record player from the power source and leave it disconnected for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the internal circuitry to reset. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 4. Check the volume or a power knob. Confirms the device is properly powered on since some models use the knob as the power switch. Some Crossley models use the volume knob as the power switch. Make sure the knob clicks and turns properly. A faulty knob may prevent the player from powering on correctly. Fix 5. Inspect and replace the fuse. Restores electrical continuity if a blown fuse is causing power failure. Open the record player if comfortable and check the fuse near the circuit board. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one that matches the specification of your model. Fix 6. Seek professional repair or replacement. Addresses deeper hardware faults that cannot be fixed through simple troubleshooting. If the blinking red light persists after these steps, the issue may be with the internal power circuit or a motor. Professional repair might be necessary, but considering the cost, replacing the unit could be more practical. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.